Hi everybody, I hope you're doing great. So today I have a Gucci unboxing for you. But first off, I hope that all the mothers out there had a great Mother's Day. And I wanted to share with you what my kids got me. So they got me these. Aren't they fun? These are the hot pink Crocs. They're in patent, which I've never seen before. So they're super gorgeous. I've been wanting these. I never have gotten a pair. 10 years ago I wanted these. And we were at South Coast Plaza, I believe it is. It's the Orange County Mall. And we were walking down in the kiosks in the middle of the mall. They had these Croc charms. And so look how cute. It's got the LV there with the lips. Chanel, Dior. I don't have a Gucci one. I guess they must not have had a Gucci one. But anyways, yeah, so I got my daughter a pair last year. She has white. And I wear them sometimes, you know, just like around the house, and they were super comfy, and I mentioned it, and I guess they thought, oh, maybe she'd like those for Mother's Day. And of course, I guess they decided that I would like the hot pink, which I love. And so yeah, they're just fun, you know, to wear around the house, or I wore them to get my nails done the other day. Well, yeah, I thought that was really fun. Let me throw one on for you. See if I can just model that way. But yeah, super fun, super cute. So there. So thanks, kids. I appreciate it. Okay, so when I got my last Gucci bag, it was a couple videos ago, and as I was leaving, I saw another bag, and I thought, I might have to come back and get that one too. So I texted my sales associate in Rodeo Drive, and I said, do you have any left that are still wrapped, unopened? You know, and she said, yes, I have one left. And so she sent me a picture, which I will show you, but I can't right now because, as you know, from my last video, the Gucci one, that if it's wrapped, it has the picture of the item and color. And so I'll show it to you after, obviously, the picture. Look at this gorgeous bag that it comes in, the packaging. So I thought this was just for the, you know, like the burgundy jockey bag and the shoes and things like that. But I guess this is the new packaging for everything now. Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous, absolutely massive. So let me get the box out. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Pretty bow. I love burgundy. That's one of my favorite colors, so it's all good. This is a little different than the regular Gucci when it comes in the burgundy. This is a different kind of opening. It's not where the top comes off completely. It's this, so this is all new. And then got some white tissue in there. Okay, there it's in there. All right, so the picture is over on this side, so you're not going to see it here. So let's see. I'm going to open it up this way. This comes off like that. It's in its own like wrapping bag. Okay, so let's continue with the unwrapping. It's wrapped in like a tissue. And I love the new dust bags now. They're white. It says Gucci. What do we think we have here? Oh, it smells so good. Wow, you guys. Wow, this smells so good. I never really noticed smells that much, and this smells divine. It smells like leather. So as you can see, we're gonna have some deconstruction to do when you get it fully wrapped. I'll show you the picture now. So here's the picture, the information. And this is the GG Supreme I don't know, it has a bunch of names, but it's the Ophidia backpack. Look how pretty. So this backpack, so let's see. So this backpack comes in blue and also in the regular brown. And then it obviously has the pink now. I love the angle of the zipper. I think that's super cute. And also I like how they kept this brown, just so it's not like overwhelmingly pink and you can still match things. And they also, when I take out the straps, you can see the trimming is brown as well, which typically they change it to the color that, you know, they're using. So that was nice of them as well. Well thought out, I thought, you know. And I did try this on at Glendale and Bloomingdale's not LV, Gucci, and they were super sweet and they took pictures for me of modeling it because I wanted to try it. It's really comfortable. It's a good size. I'll compare it to the Palm Springs Mini just so you can get an idea. But the price point is really good. I mean, there's not many things that you can get anymore in the luxury world that's under the 2 mark. So this does have a 1 in front of it, pre-tax. So that's always nice too for, you know, basically a full-size bag. So, oh my gosh, you guys, it took some time to unwrap everything, but look how gorgeous she is. I love the base. I mean, hello. And it's like a perforated kind of leather, you know, nice durable. I like that they kept this brown, like the front is basically brown. So like you can match things, you know, but then you turn it around. I love the side of the zip. I think it's so cool looking. I love that they put pink piping. I mean, it was just really well thought out, you know, and then I love this because when you have this on your shoulders, it just looks like, oh, she's got a Gucci, you know, bougie backpack. And then when I turn around and walk away, or, you know, if I'm waving at you from the side, they're like, oh my gosh, look at that pink. That is so fun, right? So yeah, so I love the pocket in the front. You can put, you know, obviously a wallet in there, and it's got stuffing in there, but you can see it's got like the accordions on the side. Nice substantial size. You can definitely put like a wallet, something like, you know, this in there, or a car case. So I love that because then you don't have to, you know me, I like to not have to get in my bag every time I'm at the checkout station. Just because I get stressed out. So that is super cool. And then, I mean, it's all nice and stuffed. I'm going to leave it stuffed for now till I use it, but it does say Gucci on the zippers, of course, and I'll insert a picture of the interior as well. It's got your standard, you know, full size, and then it has like the pocket and all that. But yeah, I thought this was a really nice size. It's the same price as the one that they have in brown, one in their blue, the navy blue, and then this one, and they're all the same price. Let me compare it with the Palm Springs Mini so you can kind of see the difference. So there is quite a bit of difference, right? There is a little bit of a, yeah, there is a difference. But this is nice, and I noticed when I was trying it on at the Bloomingdale's, the Gucci there, this is nice and slim, so it doesn't feel like bulky at all. You know, it's not like made for, you know, a 5-day hike or camping trip, which I would never do anyways. You know, this is more like a day-to-day, hands-free, serious shopping. I don't want to be dealing with anything or whatever, you know, just traveling, lightweight. So yeah, it's just a really gorgeous bag, and it is considered their small backpack. So what I wore when I went to go pick up the bag was this one. So, you know, I got that other Gucci, and I decided it'd be fun to, because I have the original one of these, the original color. I thought, wouldn't that be fun just to put the strap on this one and just have a pop of pink? Because as we know, this one comes with the same strap, but with the brown trim, and I just thought that might be a little fun pop of pink. So that turned out really cute. And then in one of my Instagram reels, I put this strap on my Gucci Jackie, which turned out really cute as well, I thought. So yeah, you can have a lot of fun with these bags. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just got back from our backyard. So while I was filming this video, our pest guy that comes every 2 months to spray around the property, texted me, and I saw the text come through, and it said that we have a bee issue in the backyard. So I'm going, oh no. So I stopped the video, I go in the backyard, and I'm looking around like, I don't see anything. And then I walked under our balcony, and like hidden where you couldn't see it from just looking out the back of our house, there's like a swarm of bees flying around. There was a crack in the balcony, and they're like, I don't know if there's a hive in our balcony. Oh, So I don't know. So anyway, I had to call these bee people that come over and, take the bees away naturally, or what is the word? They don't kill them, they take them comfortably away, whatever. I can't think right now. But anyways, so it's real life, right? I mean, here we are doing these videos. It made me think, like, we do these videos, and sometimes I think I might come off as like, there's no problems, everything's so great. I'm just like running around, going to Rodeo Drive, picking up bags. And it's really not like that at all. I mean, I could go down the list of problems. So, but anyways, that's what happened. So here I am trying to refocus and get back on track. So anyways, I just wanted to say, like, how gorgeous this piece is. It is really beautiful. I mean, in person, everything, like, it's just really a lovely piece, to be honest. It's like, to get something under $2,000 that is actually full size, it's not like some mini BB, to try to get under the $2,000 mark, which with LV, you wouldn't anyway, right? LV is going to be my favorite always, but I'm just saying, like, Gucci still has like legit decent prices, right? So anyway, so yeah, I just thought I might as well snag this, because in the future, these are all going to be above $2,000, and higher. So yeah, I really like it. And look how cute, how fun. So yeah. All right, you guys. Well, I hope you're doing well, and stay safe from the bees during the summer, right? Until next time, bye.